Good afternoon to all present over here. Myself Nilada and I am standing before you all to present my presentation on the topic Encouragement of Creative Thinkings at School Levels. Let me ask you a question. What do you think what creativity means actually? How many of you have that power to imagine something that is far different or that is impossible? You know what? Imagination is what that makes creative thoughts come into real world. One of the examples that I would like to give according to this is, how many of you know about Mona Lisa, the painting of Mona Lisa? How many of you know that it's not the painting of a real lady, it's just the creation of an artist? So, that is the power of imagination. It led to create a painting which cost more than $1 million. This is my school, and I would like to tell you that school is a place from where the imagination of a child comes to the real world. Here, the student is taught to imagine something different from their everyday life, and they are asked to do something that they think that it is not possible at all for the others. And that makes them discover new things. Some of the schools always stress on the part of education, and they always ask them to study. All the time they are asking them to study only. They never mind. But schools from north side, and most prominently my school, Kendriya Vidyalaya, they used to focus on bringing out the child's creative mind to the real world. Because according to them, a creative mind can create much better than a knowledgeable mind. So let me tell you, these all students are from class 4th only. We were having an World Earth Day competition in which we were to present something. So we were asked actually to present something, but these kids came forward and they only took the challenge to make it, and they said we will do it. We were thinking that these are small kids, what will they do? But finally on the day of presentation, they presented such a tremendous way that we can even live without clapping for them. They presented the poster and a wonderful skit on World Earth Day, and this was only under some certain guidance of the teacher, and every thought is from their own mind. Most of the schools have some of the classes or periods like STBWs and drawing classes, where a student is asked to draw something that he can imagine and something that does not really exist in the real world. So here they are asked to prepare something out of the scrap that we found in our home, such as the boxes of their shoes, bangle boxes, and all these things are used to prepare beautiful things that will make decorative influence on the world. They are far better than those things that we buy from the market, because you know that handworks are more valuable than those which are created by machines. So, next is our school. Most of the institutes always support some of the creative competitions like drawing competition, painting competition, scrapbook decoration competition. And one of the best competitions that I have known, it was introduced from my session only, that is the book cover designing program or competition, in which a student is given only the guidelines about the book and the heading of the book and some of the guidelines about the book. You all know that a person or a reader get attracted towards a book only if its cover is beautiful. I know that we should not judge it by its cover. But generally, it is a phenomenon that everybody used to see the cover page of that book only. So a student always tries to be more and more creative while he is designing something, because it is much more important to attract the reader towards it while designing a book cover. They are even given presentations and prizes for that, and this encourages them to be more and more creative. I would like to tell you a great quotation by Sir Albert Einstein, that is, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, but imagination encircles the world. I would like to prove it. How many of you love watching movies? I know everybody loves it. You see that most of the scenes when hero is proposing a heroine and heroine says yes, then suddenly a background music starts up from there and the song gets played. Or do you think that it really happened in our life? No. Yes, it does not happen, but it happens if you can imagine that, because when you feel happy, then you suddenly feel that the flowers blooming around you and the wind is blowing so sweetly and the lovely music is played into your song. That is called imagination. So we should all try to be imaginating, just like this Albert Einstein. He is trying to, he is riding a bicycle over the universe, which is not possible, but it is his imagination that made him go through. So finally, I would like to conclude that creativity is more important than knowledge. Every school must try to adopt it. And everybody should try to be creative, because education should not die to its dead formalities. Thank you.